Today, we'll all be responsible for setting the table. We'll do everything family style on farmhouse plates.
They train us in every aspect here, so front of the house, back of the house, the retail side.
The service part of it, like serving the food and being a hostess, that's my favorite part.
We have a great crew, and I've made friends with just about everybody, and we work well together. We get to serve the public.
This is an amazing place to start right here at our college campus. This is how you reach out in the community and make connections to your future.
In 2012, we built this most amazing culinary facility. It's state-of-the-art all the way through. It's LEED silver. We have all the bells and whistles. I do very little cooking here. I expedite a lot and I give a lot of direction, but other than that, our lunch services, which are always full, is completely run by our students. We truly believe and teach that farm to table is not a trend. It's our way of life. Our instructors are first class. They really came from the industry. We really have a culinary background, and we model our curriculum off of our past experiences. That's a culinary tradition that we're really proud to keep alive. When our students go into restaurants, they're immediately recognized because they have a good work ethic, they have good soft skills, and they have a real great basic foundation.
Just coming into class every day, getting to learn something new every day is pretty awesome. I didn't know what I was going to do to leave high school, and I was talking to Rob, and he was telling me about the program, and I just got really interested in it.
It was actually really easy to get the financial aid when I got here.
80%, maybe 90% of our students get financial aid. There's all kinds of programs and support programs in the community college system that makes it really easy to get a great culinary education. From our faculty to our classified staff to our administrative staff, we all have one goal, and that is student success.
Come join the program. It's such an amazing opportunity.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend it.